The Windows Explorer we all use every day still has code from 2009. Since Microsoft has introduced the new modern apps with an updated design, Windows Explorer, or the newly called File Explorer, needs a UI overhaul. Introducing Files. Files is an open-source modern file manager for Windows 10. It has a lot of features that lack in File Explorer, so we'll take a look at them one by one, starting with tabs. Tabs can be created, moved, rearranged, or ungrouped into their own windows. Files also looks much better and native in the dark theme. To enable that, let's click on Settings in the sidebar and set the app theme to dark. We'll come back to Settings after looking at some neat and handy features. Firstly, quick access to different folders in a new tab are much more nicely presented. A lot of the times, we need to copy a folder's path, for which we now have an intuitive solution. Simply right-click on a folder and select Copy Location. This will copy the selected folder's path to clipboard, which can then be pasted anywhere needed. Another handy feature is pinning folders to the sidebar. You can right-click and select Pin to Sidebar to pin a particular folder on the sidebar for quick access. To unpin, simply right-click on the folder and select Unpin from Sidebar. The new Files app also features a new Properties dialog, which looks dope with the acrylic blur, although it is still under development and missing features are still being added. A lot of the times we want to open the terminal in a specific directory. Instead of opening the terminal and navigating there, simply right-click in the empty space and select Open in Terminal. This should launch the configured terminal in that folder. Looking at the bottom, you'll see 3 icons. Clicking on the first one allows us to select all the files in Word selection or Clear selection. The second icon allows you to switch between different view modes. The third icon shows any long, ongoing copy or delete operations and their progress. Getting back to the sidebar, you'll also see your connected drives, both local as well as network. By the way, we now have a Patreon page. If you like my content and want to encourage me to learn more and make better videos, please consider supporting me on Patreon. By supporting me, you get to watch all my videos 2 days before I publish on YouTube. Check the description for the link. Now let's explore the settings and see what's new in there. In the preferences, you can change the preferred terminal app. Fluent Terminal or the good old CMD are available by default, but you can configure it to add additional terminal apps. Heading to Files and Folders, you can view file extensions for known file types. It is highly recommended to enable this due to a security issue in Windows. I have made a video explaining that, so click on the top right corner now to watch it. Under Experimental, you can disable double-click to rename files. Personally, this is so annoying, as while I am navigating, I accidentally rename files. This video is one of the videos in a playlist where I showcase the best modern Windows apps which are free and open source. Find the link to the full playlist in the description for more apps like this that are open source. Also, I just crossed 1,000 followers on Twitter. I'd like to thank everyone who is following me. If you would like to get tweets on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Linux, do follow me on Twitter at VasantDevelop or find the link in the description. So that was it for this video. If you enjoy videos like this, please consider supporting me on Patreon, as that would really help me in growing the channel. This is Vasant Developer, signing off.